Or, you know, the old saying goes, timing is everything, and some RNC passengers at Hopkins International, well, did not have good timing with Southwest Airlines today.
Oh, it wasn't pretty. 5 on Your Side investigator Jonathan Walsh has been on the transportation beat for the RNC. So, Jonathan, such a busy airport already, and then, to top it all, Southwest has problems.
Yeah, the interim director out here at the airport says every other airline, no real problems. But when it comes to Southwest Airlines, major problems today. He even called it catastrophic with this nationwide issue. Hopkins International Airport had prepared months for all of the increased travelers related to the RNC. Reps knew 20,000 people would be trying to get home after the convention, but they didn't know that Southwest Airlines would have its flight management and reservation systems go down Wednesday, affecting flights across the country. People got the bad news that Southwest canceled flights going out of Hopkins. Interim Director of Hopkins, Fred Szabo, told me airplanes and pilots for Southwest were not in positions to fly because of the backups and regulations surrounding hours permitted in the air. I contacted Southwest Airlines, and late this morning it sent this response saying the technology systems are fully now restored. And, quote, our employees in airports, online and on the phone, are assisting a significant number of customers, and hold times are much longer than average. A bit of a cog in the air transportation wheel that was planned for months at Hopkins.
We actually plotted out by hour how many passengers were departing and actually which checkpoint they were going through, and that gave us the ability to staff appropriately, not only for the checkpoints, but for the traffic control, for the meters and greeters here in the airports.
There are several peak times out here at the airport. One is coming up at 7 o'clock, but so far, not too bad, aside again from the Southwest problems. Coming up at 6 o'clock, I'm going to tell you about an interesting situation about an RNC program, a booklet that was handed out, and why that had TSA alarms going off. We'll tell you all about that live at 6 o'clock. For now, I'm Jonathan Walsh, reporting live from the airport for The Now.